Are you looking for the best portable job site table saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable job site table saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Worx WX572L 5.5 amp BladeRunner portable electric tabletop saw. Now you can always make smooth and precise cuts with the help of this portable table saw. Basically, this power tool effortlessly cuts a wide range of trim and big shelving materials. Due to the excellent portability, this table can be easily moved to different places. A guard and riving knife system are included, but enhance the capacity for making different kinds of cuts. The incorporated safety switch avoids accidental starts. Names of other components included in this saw are a rip fence, a miter gauge, and multiple blades. The presence of makes sure this saw can cut many different kinds of materials. So, the miter gauge is adjustable for making cuts in the range of 0-60 degrees. Up next in the fourth place is the KETER Jobmade Portable Workbench and Miter Saw Table. This KETER Jobmade portable table saw is extensively used for the woodworking tools and accessory. It comes with wood clamps. Built from durable resin, this table saw lasts for years. Moreover, the legs are made up of aluminum. The included polypropylene is weather resistant. This material protects the saw against corrosion, denting, and peeling. Within half minute, you can complete the assembly process. Just detach the legs from the allocated storage space. Weighing less than 30 pounds, this table saw boasts lightweight design. So, the integrated sturdy handle helps you to take your workbench anywhere. The third product on our list is the SKILSAWSPTA70W T-Cent Table Saw Stand. This SKILSAW table saw stand comes with tool-free latches. It is extensively used for a 10 inches mobile job site worm drive. The latches and foldable design offers ease of transportation. The all-steel construction ensures durability. Due to lightweight design, it becomes easy to move it to various places. With the help of flawless leveling adjustments, the users can mount this saw stand on rough surfaces. When not in use, this saw stand can be folded down to petite size. This allows you to easily carry it with one arm. So, the installation process is easy. Install the legs with the help of included fasteners. Second on our list is the Worx WX51 Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. A WX51 work table is famous for its versatility. It is easy to convert it into a workbench or sawhorse within a few seconds. There is no need for assembly. For use anytime, anywhere, it comes with foldable and lightweight design. The large weight-bearing capacity makes it a preferred choice for different applications. The pack contains 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs to secure a wide range of materials. To save time, this work table comes pre-assembled. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT table saw stand. When it comes to excellent rip capacity, the DW7440RS is a decent choice to consider. Glancing at the design, it is made lightweight for easy transportation to different places. The broad stand base and rear legs offer excellent stability. You can fold down the legs under the stand. The durable kickstand enables the stand to balance erect for storage and mobility. It is easy to attach the stand brackets for flawless disconnection from the stand. This feature helps a lot during loading and unloading. So, the efficient 15A motor makes sure the cutting results are always accurate. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.